After a long, hard day at Sodor Cybernetics, Thomas and Vector were finally on their way home.
Flatten my funnel. We sure had fun today, didn't we, Vector? You said it.
Then there was trouble.
Come in, Vector, come in. The island of Sodor needs your help. Spencer, the steam engine, has gone berserk. He's transformed himself into a giant robot fighting machine called Megatrain.
Oh, crap.
Please hurry. He's causing confusion and delay throughout the city, not to mention massive copyright infringement issues. Help us, Vector and Thomas. You're our only hope.
Buckle up, Vector. This looks like a job for Optimus Prime.
Cool, dude.
Optimus Prime.
Give it up, Megatrain, or I'll bust your buffers.
Watch this.
Oh, snap.
Cinders and ashes. I think somebody's having too much fun. You best recognize, sucker. I'm number one. Oh, come on.
This is really going to aggravate a number of legal departments.
Yeah, probably. Once again, the day was saved by Optimus Prime.
Bye, everybody.
And Vector, too.